Card number 1, Strength card. It shows that in near future or in remote future, it is only your strength, your power which you need to build on, and that will only help you in overcoming all the obstacles in life. Also, here inside this picture there is a picture of, inside this card there is a picture of chariot, which shows that something is coming quickly because of your willpower, because of your strength, because of your determination. Card number 2, Temperance card. It shows that you need to align your energies. You need to align yourself with the divine things, with the angels. Also, you need to balance inside you all the feminine and masculine powers you have, and seek the blessings of Goddess Durga and Bhagwan Shankar. Card number 3, the Hierophant card. It talks about going deep within, that is to work on uplifting your soul. It also talks about that lot of thought processes going on related to aligning and uplifting your soul. It could be your soul, or it could be your own area of expertise in which you want to grow, you want to excel. So you can do that. You need to work on your all the 7 chakras, especially your root chakra, to attain and establish your relationship with your expertise in your field, your relationship with your higher self, with your better self. So basically, if somebody has been called for all the 3 cards, they are very much interconnected. Strength card talks about that quickly you need to take action and things are moving in your life in your direction because of your strength, or you need to apply your determination and strength in order to balance your powers, the powers within you, the power of Shiva and Shakti within you, which is nothing but Kundalini itself. And here, this Kundalini alignment and upliftment and awakening will lead you to enlighten and to uplift your soul, to reach to your or align with your divine purpose, and to reach to be your better self, and work in a way that your soul will be free from karmic issues and will be uplifted for the most better person or version of yourself. Thank you so much.